Chuck and I down here in Columbia. We're at the stern of the boat right now. I'm looking at the starboard stern, coming around to dead astern to show the paint that's been done. The floor has got some black epoxy put on it. A lot of the poles have been painted. The side of the stairway there is painted yellow. We'll notice that various areas of the floor have been painted, which Chuck and I would be curious to know what the plan is, why some things are painted and then stopped and then move a little further and paint other things. This is all newly painted from what Chuck and I recall. This wall opposite the bar and snack bar area has been all painted on the bottom. Still a lot of vandalism, people breaking in. They wrote at one point, "Open the door or you'll always wonder." That lock is still secure. The lock to the engine room is still secure, but only is, yeah, I guess it's pretty good. And then there's just some random paint on the floor. Walking towards the bow. My phone was going off again. Calling somebody, Chuck.
You're calling somebody?
It was. And then the crew's quarters, the wall has been painted, but again, this has been busted and the door just opens freely. So security is a major issue yet. Now we're walking up towards the bow. We got painting on the wall, painting on the floor. Some of the bollards for the lines have been painted. Again, a lot of various paint going on the floor. So I hope that I can get down here when the work is being done and get some kind of idea of what the plan is. There's been a lot of work done, but I'm wondering what it all means with the various markings on the deck and paint. This is it for now.